Okay, so hello pokerstuff.com and YouTube. So today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to patch your downloaded Xbox 360 games. So first what you want to probably do is see basically the stuff that's actually going to cost you money. So I kind of suggest, I guess, yeah. So I kind of suggest that you buy like verbatim, blah 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 blah. Just you want the verbatim ban for the discs you want to burn the actual game onto, because they're the most reliable. So this is actually the exact pack that I got. I just got 10. But yeah, so just get these ones and then you should be good. Okay. So after you buy those, what you need to do is now we're gonna like show the programs. So you need to download and install Abgx360. So right here I just have a link right here. So I'll put this in the description. Just click install if you have Windows, Mac, whatever. And also I would recommend you download an ImgBurn. I find it's also just really good to burn the CDs down onto. So it's like one of the most reliable. For me, might not be the absolute most, but I think it's pretty good. Okay, so I'll also put this in the description, and this might be confusing, but you just click here because there's so many download places to click. You just click here to download. Okay, so after you have all basically the two programs installed, what you next need to do is actually find the game you want. So I am just gonna search up, let's see, Black Ops, or actually let's do Modern Warfare 3. So actually no. So we have to copy. So I'm just gonna go to Pirate Bay to download. So that's usually Pirate Bay is actually pretty good for finding games. You just click on games because that's what you want. There's usually a pop-up. Just like exit out of that and paste. Pirate search. Okay, so MW3 is actually here. PC. Xbox. It doesn't look like there's that many seeds though. But let's just click on this, see what happens. Okay, so also when you're downloading the games, what you actually want to do is you should probably look at the comments, because if they all say like you suck, this sucks, like this is terrible, stuff like that, you're a fake, it probably means it doesn't work. So you just have to look at the comments right here. Don't download the ABGs. It says this not even Xbox 360. So yeah, right there. No one really said good job or thank you, so I'm not really gonna download this one. So it doesn't look like it works. So let me just go back. I'll just find a different site. So I'm on Call of Duty MW3. Okay. So copy. So this is let's go to a different site. This is also another one I like. It's called Kickass Torrents basically. So it's cat, and they usually have pretty reliable torrents here. None of them are really let's see, crack only. Oh, there's a crack. So seeds. I want. Doesn't install PC. So if you don't know where I'm looking right here. It says games, then PC. Okay, maybe Call of Duty is a bad example. Just find a game, like Prototype or something like that. Then after you download it, it'll probably take a while. You just store it into a certain place. So I've downloaded these 5 games. So we can just work with, let's say, Dead Island. Okay, so now that you have your game, what you want to do is, after you install ABGx, I want you to open it up. So I want you to open up ABGx. Let's see. Okay, so now you have the window open. So what I want you to do is, first I just want you to see all these tabs here. I want you to look at all of them, so I'm just going to click on each one and make sure all of the checkboxes are the same as mine. So all of these, so make sure they're the same as mine. This one as well, I can tell you about this one later. I want you to switch this to 3, the check threshold, the autofix threshold to 3. Rebuilding, default method, region code. Oh, that's one more thing. When you're downloading a game, usually it would say, let's say, prototype 2, then beside it might say RF, actually right up here, it says right here, RF, which means region free. So when you download a game, you want it to be region free so that there's no problems. You could download it, matters where you are. So like NTSC/U is basically for America, like US, Canada, and these ones are pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so you want this one if you're in the US and stuff like that. And there's a long story behind why you can't use games on Xbox, or actually Xboxes that are made in the US and stuff like that, but for the TVs. Okay, so now what you're going to do is click on this right here and find your game file. So mine's just in my Xbox games, right here. Double click on that, so now you have it loaded, so everything is checked right, and all you have to do is click launch. Okay, so just to show you what's happening here, right up there, green, basically, this is basically how the colors go. Green is very good, yellow is not that good, and red is very bad. So if you have red, that's just very bad. It means probably you can't play that game. If it's red, do not play this online. It's like you will get banned if you play this online. But green is very good. Green means everything's fine. So right here it says region free. Basically, when you first download the game, there'll be different colors like blue and stuff like that, trying to show you that's downloading different files, and that's just, I think, to update the game right here. So I remember when I first patched this, there's a lot of downloads, and also what I had to do. Sometimes it says, the video rotation right here, video CRC. Sometimes, actually, for this game, which one is it? Dead Island. It didn't have it here. It didn't have the actual file. So what you need to do is download the video file to patch it, so that the game will actually work. Because the game won't work if you don't do that. So that's what I was talking about. This manually patch. So you just click here and then search for it. Then you'd have to find the patch file. Why isn't it in the... ABGx stuff files? Yeah, right here. So I had to download this, so I'll show you the link. It's right here. So this is the link, so I'll put this in the description as well. It used to come with the ABGx360, but I think the download got too big or something like that. I'm not sure. I think they used to have it, so they don't have anymore. So that's where you go to download it. Yeah, so I'll pause this and come back after this is done. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this just finished. See, 100% corruption. Everything's green. Green is good, so everything is alright. You can play this online. Okay. Okay, so this is all done. So then you just exit out this, and you can open back up the file. So where you actually found the ISO image, the image file, there's not going to be a new file beside it. It's a DVD file. So what you actually have to do is right click and then click open with. Then you have to choose default program and open with notepad. So when you do that, it will have a layer break and then the name of the ISO. So what you're going to do is copy that layer break. Just copy it. And you can exit out this. Now open up ImgBurn. So you just open up and it looks like this. So click write image to disk. Then I want you to click a little folder up here. And let's see, go to ISO folders, exhaust games, the island, and you want to click the DVD file, not the ISO. So click the DVD, open. Now you want to click, let's see, settings, and you have lots of tabs here. I just want you to click right, and it's probably going to look like this, calculate optimal. You want to click user specified, just whatever's here. I think it's usually blank, so just right click and then paste. So you want to make sure that the layer break is what it said in the DVD file. Then just click OK. So now you want to take out your disk and put it in the DVD drive. So I don't have one in there. There we go. Just thinking, just getting the device ready. Oh, one more thing. I'll put this earlier in the video, but your disk drive has to be able to write dual layer. So it'd probably say something like DL or something like that. I have Neuro Info Tool. Let's see. Yes, you can use it. So this is the Neuro Info Tool. So this, I think, tells me if my drive is dual layer or not. You can probably get any file. You can probably just search up your disk drive and just see if it's dual layer or not. But one second. But yeah, you can just check. You can just check if you're right here. So let's see, Neuro DVD, read, write. Let's say DL. So plus. You want DL plus. This doesn't really matter than minus. But if it's both checks here, that's great. Means it can write on that. If it doesn't, sorry, you can't burn disks because it has to be dual layer. Because normal disks don't have enough space on them, so to dual layer just adds more space. And if you don't have it, you can't do this. Sorry. Okay, so now that I have everything ready, I switched the right to the number here, to this layer break. Right here, write speed, you should put that to 2.4. Some people say to put it to 2, but when I put it to 2, it didn't work and it just kind of crashed. Because it says right here, supported write speeds. It actually is faster than this. When you start it, you click it says it writes it to 2.4, but then mine went to 4.1, so it works fine. You just have to make sure it's over, at least at the same or over the minimum writing speed, but 2.4 should be fine. Now that everything's good, just click write. So I'm not going to do this because I already did it to this game, but everything should be good. Okay, so thanks for watching. You can subscribe, comment, whatever. Come to my website, pokestuff.com, unless you're already on it and you're just watching this video. So thanks.